Hello everyone, welcome to Cooking Zindagi. Today, let's see a well-known Gujarati dessert which is Fada Lapsi. This is mostly prepared for festivals and occasions at home. Lapsi is nothing but a sweet dish made with dalia or cracked wheat or broken wheat. It is rich in iron and magnesium. Here we have to use coarse cracked wheat, not the fine version. Heat a pressure cooker, add 1 cup of fada or broken wheat, fry it for 2 to 3 minutes on low flame. Now transfer this to a plate and keep this aside. Take a deep dish, heat it, add 2 cups of water, boil the water. Now keep this aside. Heat the pressure cooker, add 4 tablespoons of ghee. Once the ghee is melted, add few cinnamon sticks. Then add the broken wheat. And fry it for 5 minutes on low flame. Do this until you start to receive a nice aroma from it. Now pour the boiled water. Stir it for 2 minutes. Now take half cup of milk, add this and mix it well. Now close the cooker lid and cook for 3 whistles. Release the pressure and you can see the cracked wheat is cooked now. Switch off the flame. Add little more than 1/4 cup of jaggery to it. Mix it well. The jaggery starts melting. Add 1 tablespoon of ghee. Mix it. Add 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Mix it well and this is now ready. Next, heat a pan. Add 2 tablespoons of ghee. Add blanched and chopped almonds, pistachios, raisins. Fry them until they turn golden brown in color. Now add this to the Fada Lapsi. That's it. Our yummy and delicious sweet is ready to serve. If you're bored of eating routine sweets and crave for something more healthy and delicious, then do try this Fada Lapsi recipe and you will love the taste of this. Do try it and let us know how it turns out. Subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. Happy cooking Zindagi!